Welcome to the demo video of RankOnAI. Search is changing. People are asking ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, and Gemini instead of typing into Google. And those engines only recommend sites they can read and trust. RankOnAI is the platform that gets you cited. It tracks which AI engines visit you, audits how AI-ready your pages are, and fixes them in one click. Let me show you, live on showcaseai.app. It starts with one line of code. Drop this snippet in your site's head, and RankOnAI tracks every visit from an AI crawler, GPT bot, Claude bot, Perplexity bot, and every visitor an AI engine sends back to you in real time. You finally see whether AI is reading you and whether it's sending traffic your way. First, I'll verify I own the domain. One click, and we're verified. Now, the core of it, the audit. RankOnAI scores your site 0 to 100 across 7 pillars: schema, FAQs, answer capsules, heading structure, bot access, LLMs.txt, and content quality. Our starting score for showcaseai.app? 48. Red. But every red item here is fixable. It shows me exactly what's holding it back. AI crawlers aren't fully allowed, and there's no structured data, no FAQ, no answer capsules for AI to quote. First, the quickest win. If AI bots are blocked, nothing else matters. I'll allow GPT bot, Claude bot, Perplexity, and Google's AI crawl.
Rerun the audit and watch it move in real time, 48 to 54. Bot access now passing. Before I rewrite anything, I'll set my brand voice so everything RankOnAI generates sounds like us, not like a robot. Write it once, it applies to every rewrite. Now the big one. 3 issues: schema, FAQ, and answer capsules, fixed in a single pass. I click Rewrite with AI on the homepage. In seconds, it rewrites the page in our voice and adds JSON LD schema, a full FAQ section, and answer capsules, the short, quotable facts AI engines pull into their answers. And your original is always saved, so you can revert anytime. Rerun the audit, 54 to 87. Into the green, schema, FAQ, and answer capsules, all passing. One pillar left, LLMs.txt. It's like robots.txt, but for AI. It tells engines which pages to prioritize. RankOnAI generates it for me. I publish it and re-audit. $97, green across the board. And this isn't a one-time thing. Your GEO score is tracked over time, so you see the trend climb. Better yet, turn on AutoPilot. RankOnAI re-audits on a schedule, auto-rewrites pages that slip, and alerts you when an AI bot starts or stops crawling you. Set it once, and your site stays AI-ready on its own. In a few minutes, showcaseai.app went from a 48 to a 97. Tracked, audited, and fixed, with every change scored live. That's RankOnAI. Be the answer AI engines cite, not the one they skip. Thank you for watching.